Hi, welcome to Maptive. Now that you've created your first map, you'll want to use tools and things to manipulate that map. You'll find your toolbox here on the top left. This is where you'll find your grouping tool, your filter tool, radius tool, the tools. You'll have map settings here. This is where you can edit all the markers on the map, edit your base map, things like that. You can get to your home screen up here. Where in the map, you can also get to the data tab of this map on this top left corner. Top right, you can get to your list of maps that you've created that are on the home screen. You can also create a new map from anywhere within the program. We have a split screen that you can split to see your data below. If you need help, we've got a help button. You can contact us or chat live with us. Don't forget the buttons on the right-hand side. There's a bunch for you to use and utilize. Remember, don't be afraid to click on things. And if you need to hide your map markers at any time, that button is right here. You can hide it with tools being used on the map or without. All right, that's your quick overview. If you need any help at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.